Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at New Zealand and USD dollar analysis. From the fundamental perspective for today, we should know that the market will focus on the CPI data from the US. Is the only economic event for today, and it will be also the catalyst for the market moves. So as you can see, we have consumer price index for monthly and yearly data. It was 3, it is expected 3.3, 0.2 and 0.2. So for the monthly, it is not expected any change. For the consumer price index year to date, we have a possible increase up to 3.3%. And if we are going to look at consumer price index food and energy, it is not expected any change. So it was 4.8, it is expected 4.8. Also on the monthly figures, it is not expected any change here. So it will be everything related with the news event and how the market will interpret it. So let's see what may happen from a fundamental perspective and why we should be careful. So if we are going to look at on the daily chart, New Zealand dollar, the price is close to an area that is dating back on March 23, as you may see here. This is March 23. The next point, it was at the end of April. So all the time that the price increased from this point, it came down. From March and up to now, the price is moving within this area for approximately 6 months now. And that is why we have to be careful, because probably it could be the cycle for the next bullish movement here. Let's see what is happening again. Where is this dating back? This is dating back on May 23. This is the end of May again. This is dating back in June 23. So approximately in the end of each month, the price is tending to create a bullish movement so far. Here it was at the mid of March here. So the chances are very high that during the news event we may see the price to recover, or probably we are close to a change in the direction of the trend. Let's see what is happening on a lower time frame. But we have also to be very careful, because it is not supposed that the price should begin growing from here. We can also see the price to test the bottom before any bullish movement will happen again. So there are many scenarios at this point. However, our focus will be on the same zone again, because we have this structure on the 4-hour, and the chances are getting higher that we may see also from this area another bullish wave. So the chances are very high that if we are going to have the data as the market is expecting here, the consumer price index, probably it may create negative impact on the US dollar, and even if they are going to come out lower than expected, it will create a bullish move against the US dollar. So it could be a fast move or a small move. We can never anticipate that in advance. So the chances that I'm looking at are only that if we are going to have the positive numbers, the price may move a bit lower. However, I'm not expecting big moves, considering also the bigger structure that we are looking at. So probably it can be also limited up to this zone or to the second one. And if we are going to look at this area very carefully, this is not too far away. We are talking about 70 pips or 80 pips from the current market price. So we have to be very careful. If the price is going to bounce at this moment, we have to see any movement. So far we can see that the price keeps contracting since at the end of July. is moving up and down, and this is waiting for the news event at this moment. I'm looking at also for this small pattern, but it is not valid yet. We cannot take this as granted that the price is going to explode. But after the news event, if the price will bounce, then we may have the chance that this pattern is going to push the price higher. So overall, I'm focused on a bullish movement. If the price will move down from this point, then it is better to leave it to calm down and we can see what is going to happen again. So it can do both sides, but this is my perspective so far. I'm focused only on this bullish scenario. If the CPI data will come higher than expected, that probably it will reflect in a stronger US dollar. It can push the price down and we have to wait for another market reaction. But also this zone is very strong and we may see buy pressure again here. So let's focus on this possible scenario, and the chances will be that we may be on the next monthly cycle that can, which can push the price up here again. So for the targets, considering that we are on a big on a big movement, on a big swing movement, this structure area looks very well in my opinion if this is going to happen. And also we can take another target here, and the top will be the final target for this currency pair, because the price managed to change the direction of the trend every time that it was close to the top of the structure. So let's see what is going to happen. It is not so interesting as a price development, but this is the market in the current conditions, and we have also to consider that we are in August and the current market volume is a bit strange most of the time. So that's all for New Zealand and US dollar analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just be patient. Let's see the data from the US, and probably this trading setup could be ready for the next week. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.